Why do kosher fish need fins and scales? Imagine walking through a market full of fish, trying to pick out the kosher ones. You might wonder what makes some fish acceptable and others not. Well, in kosher living and practice, the answer lies in specific signs on the fish itself. The Torah, which guides kosher laws, states that fish must have fins and scales to be permitted to eat. These signs are not just random features, they are clear identifiers given by divine commandment. Fins are important because they allow fish to swim and escape danger, showing a kind of non-aggressive nature. Scales serve as a protective covering, helping fish stay safe in their environment. The Torah emphasizes both fins and scales to distinguish kosher fish from non-kosher species. The Talmud, a central rabbinic text, explains that if a fish has scales, it also has fins, so having scales is enough to confirm fins are present. However, not all fish with fins are kosher. Fish without visible scales are not permitted, even if they have fins. The scales must be visible to the naked and removable without damaging the skin. This is important because some fish shed their scales when caught, but if they had scales while alive, they are still considered kosher. Fish like sturgeon or swordfish have disputed scales or shed scales, leading many authorities to declare them non-kosher. When shopping for kosher fish, it is wise to check that the scales are easily removable and visible. Asking to see or remove a scale can help confirm the fish's kosher status. This way, you avoid accidentally buying fish that look similar but lack the necessary signs. The presence of fins and scales is not just a tradition but a clear guideline rooted in Torah law. It helps maintain the spiritual and ethical standards of kosher eating. In essence, kosher fish need fins and scales because these signs define their kosher status. They are part of a divine commandment that helps us choose fish that align with the principles of Kashrut. Following these rules ensures that the fish we eat meet the standards set by tradition and law, making our kosher practice consistent and meaningful.